Yeah, they got them.
Okay.
Well, I don't know if I'm in the right store. Savannah Lowe's. Yeah.
Whoa. So light even a 3-year-old can push it. That's cool.
This is what I'm looking for, though. This Velcro brand. That's it.
Okay. Where's the gas go? Oh, that's the oil?
8-inch plant
And the
pot.
gas?
Okay. So I need to ask somebody for that?
Uh-huh. Sorry. You like this one? Uh-huh. Yeah, those are pictures of lawnmowers. Yeah, but that's an electric one. You have to buy extra gear for that. Gas is so much better. Whoa. You gonna mow our lawn? Yep, you pull it. I'm not starting the lawnmower in the middle of the store. Y'all done? Mm-hmm. And gas, yeah. And the oil, yeah. Mm-hmm.